Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add horizontal line in Google Sheets. Adding a horizontal line in Google Sheets helps separate section of date and makes your spreadsheet more clean and organized. So let's get started. First of all, select the row, click on the border icon and choose bottom border to add a horizontal line. Again, in, increase or decrease line size, choose line size. Okay. Hope this tutorial help you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.